off right, but spilling that coffee can ruin things pretty quickly. The final segment in our Spotless series is all about cleaning up coffee stains. Our partners at Real Simple have 2 strategies that can help.
If you're like me, coffee is an essential part of your daily routine. On the way to work, before a workout, on a lazy Sunday morning, basically all the time. And if you're a devoted coffee drinker, at some point you're also a coffee spiller. And as you probably already know, it can be a really tough stain to get out. So what can you do? There's a couple things you want to keep in mind. First of all, blot, don't rub, or you could end up setting the stain into the fabric. And second of all, act fast, because otherwise the stain will bond with the fibers. But don't stress. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Bringing in my scarf. Oof, look at that stain. Doesn't look good. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my club soda, spritz it. And I'm going to take towel and blot. So it may be hard to tell at this point whether the stain is fully removed, but as you can see, a lot of coffee has come up on the towel. I'm pretty confident once we put this in the washing machine that the stain is going to be gone. Let's try. Scarf out of the washing machine, and it looks so good. As you can see, the stain is gone. Let's back up a second. This time the cleaning hack worked, but if you have a really set-in stain, you may need to take it up a notch. Try this. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by placing my stained fabric over a bowl. Now I'm gonna grab my tea kettle and start pouring boiling water from about a foot above, and you wanna work from the outside edge in towards the center of the stain. And look, can you guys see the coffee is already starting to come off of this fabric? Now just be really careful when you're lifting it up because the fabric will be super hot. As you guys can see, all of the coffee is coming off of the scarf because it's all in the water in the bowl. Now be careful, it's hot and you just want to wring it out. And let's take a look. Looks good. I think at this point, if I put it in the washing machine, the stain's gonna be gone. This just came out of the wash, and as you can see, the stain is completely gone.
Nice.
That's your thoughts?
That's
nice.
my thoughts. I will say about a month into working here, I've been working here almost 3 years now, I spilled coffee on myself pulling into the parking lot, but thankfully I was wearing navy pants, so it just smelled like coffee all day.
You lucked out on that one.
did.
If you want to see this segment or any of the other cleaning tips we learned this week, go to fox10tv.com/Studio 10.
Yeah, Real Simple is owned by the parent company of Fox 10. That's the Meredith Corporation.